All right, eighth graders, this is a should do. It is on word problems that help reinforce the information we learned in lessons 1 through 4. All right, this is, as I said earlier, a should do assignment. You'll be practicing. Remember, use your resources such as your iPad, your calculator, or previous lessons. These are just some word problems. And so you will be reading through them and deciding what information is needed in order to solve the problem. So when I look at problem number 1, and I still like to highlight the numbers, Sally loves eating fruit. She paid $7.68 for grapes, $4.40 for apples, with a $20 bill. How much change did Sally receive? So you can do this on your calculator. I'm going to write it out so you guys can see it. You can do this in 2 different ways. You can add up what she paid for and then subtract it from what she's giving the cashier. What So if you punch this in on your calculator, if you started with $20 and then we know she paid, so that's a minus $7.68. Then she paid $4.40. And then you will subtract that on your calculator, get your answer, and you will write that right there. And that's exactly what you're doing on all of these problems. Remember, use your calculator. Make it easy on yourself. Some things to watch out for. It's like on problem number 8 when it says two $100 bills. Two $100 bills is $200. So read them carefully, highlight your numbers, get me answers. It's a should do assignment. There are 2 pages to this. This is just the first page. This is the second page. It is the exact same kind of problems. It's just practice on making change. Again, don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when you get it done. Use your resources. Have fun and enjoy.